Good morning. Welcome to our peace assembly.
Please stand up for the singing of O Canada.
Thank you. Please be seated.
Today we acknowledge our treaty seven friends, where the black foot meets at the elbows bend. Saluting the Santa from the Weaver clan, the Ischia and the Coda from the mountain lands. Last but not least, Métis from Region 3. We are all free people in Calgary.
Peace begins with me. The more peaceful I am inside, the more peace I have to share with others. With Willie's Hay.
Breaking news! Peace researchers go undercover to see what they can find on inner peace. Here are some of their findings.
I feel peaceful building Lego. Being patient helps me feel peaceful.
My head's quiet. I'm thinking in my head because I like making Lego, and I think in the car when on the ride home from here. So I think what I could build.
There's peace in my heart. When I'm being mindful, I feel peaceful. I'm generous with my heart.
Inner peace makes me feel calm.
Inner peace sounds quiet.
Sports helps me feel peaceful. My peaceful place is in my bedroom. I treat myself the way I treat others. Inner peace looks like a heart filled with green. 'Cause green is the color of mindful, green is the color of trees, green is the color of how most people feel when they're happy.
The researchers were so amazed that how the students were so mindful. They decided to dig deeper.
How did they get all the information? What tools did they use to be mindful?
I like to sit and look at art.
I never done that before. What do I do?
Look at the pictures, look at the colors. Just give it a try and have some fun.
Amazing, I feel more peaceful already.
I like to listen to music.
Ooh, music makes me want to get up and dance.
Dancing is great for some people. I like to sit with my eyes closed and pick up all the instruments. What instruments do you hear?
I didn't know music could be used in so many great ways. I bet we could do this with sounds in nature.
Exactly. I like to take deep breaths.
Ooh, that's a good one. You could do that anywhere. What do you think about when you're breathing?
I think of a special place, just like Charlotte does in this book.
Charlotte in the Quiet Place by Deborah Coulson. Charlotte's house is noisy in the hallway. The floorboards groan. In the living room, the TV bellows and blares. In the kitchen, her dog Otto yips, yaps, and yowls. Even in her bedroom, which is supposed to be a quiet place, the old steam radiator hisses, whistles, and whines. Where can Charlotte find a quiet place? Charlotte's school is noisy. In the classroom, the bell clangs. In the lunchroom, the trays clatter and crash.
On the playground, the swings creak, squeak, and rattle. Even in the library, which is supposed to be a quiet place, the children giggle, yammer, and yell. Where can Charlotte find a quiet place? Charlotte's neighborhood is very noisy. On the sidewalk and the jackhammers blast. On the street, the sirens warble and wail. Underground, the subway screeches, rumbles, and roars. Even in the park, which is supposed to be a quiet place, the leaf blower buzzes and blusters and hums.
No, cries Charlotte, I have to find a quiet place. One Saturday morning, Charlotte takes Otto for a walk. In the park, Otto spots a squirrel and he lurches free. Charlotte chases Otto, charging down the hill, over the bridge, and into a grove where Otto skids to a stop. Charlotte and Otto are out of breath.
Together they sit down to rest. They close their eyes. Charlotte's belly rises up and down, up and down. Her breath goes in and out, in and out. Her mind slows down. It is quiet at last. It is so quiet. Charlotte notices an even quieter place. A place deep in her belly where her breath is soft and even. A place deep in her mind where her thoughts are hushed and low. A place as quiet as a small silence on the very last page of her favorite book. The silence right after the end. When Charlotte is ready, she and Otto hike slowly away from the grove, back over the bridge and up the hill toward home.
Nowadays, Charlotte's house is still noisy. Her school is still noisy. And her neighborhood is still very, very noisy. But Charlotte remembers that day in the park. So whenever she wants, when her world is too noisy, Charlotte simply closes her eyes and travels back to that peaceful place. The place deep in her belly where her breath is soft and even. The place deep in her mind where her thoughts are hushed and low. The quiet place inside.
The students of Eric Harvie's school were asked, "Do you have a place that you feel good?" This was their response.